Hi, this is Sebastian KB0TTL. We did a video previously which shows you how to take your old code plug from your 868 or 878 and import it over to your 578. There have been a few emails that I've received here as of recently, which I've investigated, which show that the transfer is actually not complete from the old import to the new import on the 578. Basically, I'm going to go through a few steps that you might take to go ahead and restore your code plug to your radio once your lists are imported. I just thought I would just throw you a quick revision out as far as the 578 is concerned when we transfer the code plug from an 868 or 878 over to the 578. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process. We have our channel list here. We have our talk group list, as well as we have our contacts list. They all transfer over fine. What I was going to talk about here today is the fact that on the new version 1.06 with the 578, sometimes we will run into the issue that everything will transfer that is from the old code plug besides your zones or zone listings. So this is still easier than before. I mean, you're still going to have, all of your channel listings and everything that are going to transfer over. So when you import everything, the only thing that you're going to need to actually go in and recreate is your zones. And zones is just simply sorting your channels into groups for easier access via the keypad in front of your radio here. In this case, this is just a short code plug here that we have that we just imported. Notice when we go over to zone, it's blank. My zone didn't transfer here this time. So what I am going to go ahead and do here is I am just going to simply recreate. In this case, we have just the one zone. It's the DV Mega zone. And you're going to see all the channels that are currently programmed to the radio available. When you create your zone, you simply flag the channels that you want over into the zone. I mean, I could save this right now if this is all I wanted in the zone, and then create another zone for the others. These are all DV Mega channels, so I'm actually going to go ahead and add all of my channels I have to the one zone. So in other words, everything's going to transfer. You're just simply going to need to rebuild your zone structures before you go ahead and write your code plug back to your radio. This happens some of the time, not all of the time. We've had a few calls, a few concerns in this regard here, but let me assure you that for now it appears that everything else is transferring over. Except for the zone now on this new firmware. So as you see here, easily dealt with. For longer code plugs, it may be somewhat time consuming. The cool thing is that once you go ahead and save your RDT file, save your LST file, or do a final export then, once you get everything associated, put back, then you're cool. So that's how we're going to go ahead and do that. Thank you again for watching. This is Sebastian, KB0TTL. If you liked our video today, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Man73.